Sephora order came. This is all from their sale prices plus save the additional 20%. The Sephora Clay and AHA Purifying Scalp Mask, because why not? Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Care Kit. It has the full-size Brow Wiz and a mini Brow Genius Brow Serum. Because not only did I order 2 earlier, but I needed to order a 3rd because 20% off. Eyelash serum, and that is a 3-month supply, a full size of the mascara, and a travel size of the brow serum, and that's a 8-week supply. This is from Makeup by Mario. I've had my eye on it, but I haven't purchased it until it was 20% off the sale price. 30, sale price was 24, and then 20% off of that. The Master Eye Prep and Set in Light. Because of the hooded eyes, I do have to prime my eyes, and I am not happy with any primer so far. So hopefully I will be happy with this one. And the House Labs palette. This was not worth $50 because while they swatch good in the store, it took forever to build up. It was very not pigmenty. But the glitters were so glittery. I had to get it for, not for $50. No, not for 50, but for $25, and then 20% off of that. All right, like the glitters are so glittery. And then samples, I got the Unseen Sunscreen from Supergoop, Forever from Dior, because there's also a primer, and I want to try that too.